Aparajitaha, the invincible. Na parajitaha kadapi, kenapi, iti aparajitaha. He who cannot be conquered by anyone and through any means, he is aparajitaha. In Mahabharata, Indra tells Karna, Ekam hanishyasi ripum gajjantam tam mahamridhe natutam prartayasyekam rakshate sa mahatmana yamahurveda vidushaha varaham ajitam harim narayanam achityam cha tena krishnena rakshate. Hey Karna, in the great fight, I give you the power to kill one thundering warrior, but this cannot be the one you wish to kill, that is Arjuna. Since Arjuna is protected by Bhagavan, Krishna himself, Krishna is none other than the invincible Hari, who had assumed the form of Varaha and who is the incomparable Narayana, the Parabrahman, as declared by the Vedic scholars. Yatah Krishnaha Tatho Jayaha. That is, where Krishna is, their victory is certain. The invincible Krishna may be invisible to us due to our ignorance. Once we realize his presence within us, we are assured of our victory in life. Bhagavan Vishnu is the invincible, Aparajitaha. Om Aparajitaya Namaha.